Hey, what's going on, guys? So this is an app called Pause. You just answer 3 questions, you get $5 over and over. They asked me a question about coronavirus protect precautions. Click on that. Let's see. How concerned are you currently about your and your family's health with the coronavirus outbreak? I'm gonna say highly concerned. Hit next. That's one question. If over 1,000 people in your community became affected with the coronavirus, how will this impact your daily habits? Probably life changing. 2 questions. How would the coronavirus outbreak impact any major purchases that you are considering? And you got to answer at least 5 words. I'm going to say it would impact everything I buy. And that's it. 3 questions. Hit next. Now I can rate that. I'm going to rate that 5 stars. Hit continue. And cha-ching. I just earned 36 cents. Actually, see, my balance is $5. So go back to pauses. And wherever questions you will have, they will be right there. I will put a link somewhere on wherever platform you're watching this on, guys. That's it. It's easy. You cash out straight to PayPal. Let me know if you got any questions about anything you see me do. I do a lot of stuff. All this stuff is fairly easy and it's completely 100% free. So, till next time, take care. Make some money easy. Peace out.